This printer is HP Laser 107 or 103 or 108 W series. What I want to do is to show you how to make copy with this printer. This printer hasn't got flatbed scanner, but you have option to copy documents, use camera on your mobile phone, capture the document and send the job to the printer. Before you do that, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via a wireless network or Wi-Fi direct. In this case, we connected the printer and my mobile phone via a wireless network, and this is the printer and the toner level. To copy document is what I want us to do. So you need to select copy from the features. So this is HP app, and this is the printer toner level. So scroll down from the features, select copy. No camera access. So you need to allow camera access. Select allow camera access only this time. So the camera access is opened. Then select on the paper, letter, legal, 4 by 6 inch, 5 by 7 inch, drive license or business card. I'm going to select letter. For example, we want to copy this document. So use the phone to capture the document. So use the phone to capture the document. So the document is captured. This is the document. If you are not happy with it, then you select this cancel to delete the document. Then the next thing to do is, if you want to resize it, select on the resize. It will show you original or fit to size or fit to page. So this is the original. Then you select number of copies. You can print up to 99 pages. So 1 is selected. If you want to add more, you can select add. Then select start blank. Selected size of the paper document is larger than the paper currently loaded on the printer. Continue printing or replace the paper. Select continue printing or replace the size within the appropriate size. Fit to printable area, then select start printing. The selected size of the paper document is larger, then select OK. OK to continue the setting or replace the select OK. So the job is sent to the printer. So once you capture the image, it's going to print the document. This is the document we captured from mobile phone and send the job to the printer. So this is how to make copy with this printer. This printer hasn't got flatbed scanner, hasn't got scanner or platen to scan the document or to capture or to copy the document, but you can use your mobile phone and capture the image. If you want to add more, you can select add. Then they give you option for you to capture the document again and send the job to the printer. If you want to delete it, then select delete. The captured image is now deleted. Can go back. So this is how to make a copy from this printer. Most important thing is making sure you select copy. Once you select copy, allow access, then capture the image and send the job to the printer. And another key thing is making sure that the printer and your mobile device are connected together via a wireless network or Wi-Fi direct. In this case, we connected the printer via a wireless network. Thank you very much indeed.